start. So good morning everyone. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 13, exponents and powers. Now, first of all, if you remember what you say in computers, you have studied the conversion of bases. Suppose you have a number system like decimal, you have converted that to binary. You all must be remembering you have written 64 in decimal number system as what? Please tell me. If you have 64 in decimal number system, you have written it as oh, it will be tough for you. Wait. No. Not like that. It will be tough for you. While converting, you must have got it was tougher. Leave it. Have you done these kind of questions in computer? Please tell. Okay, you have done. So class, in there you have done, suppose 64 is 2 into 2 into 2. We have done like this. So 64 can be written as 2 multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have done this. So we can write this as power form. Class, we can write this as power form. Can you tell me what is the answer in that? If I try to write this as single number, yes, it is 2 then power 6. Now the question comes, what is actually exponent and what is power? No, Ashmit, it is not tough. Don't worry. It will be fine for you. Let us try to understand what is the difference between exponent and power. They are relatively very close. Suppose you have 2 power 6. In this 6 is known as exponent. This 6 is known as exponent. This 2 is known as base. Class, are you able to understand this thing? In any number like this, you have to say that the lower one is your base and the upper one is your exponent. And this combined thing is known as power. So we say it is 2 power 6, but in that 2 is your base and 6 is your exponent. Okay, just try to remember this thing. In the 2 power 6, 2 is your base, 6 is your exponent, and this combination 2 power 6 is your power thing. Okay, so don't go much in that. It was only important for understanding. Okay, Moksha, I'm telling you, wait. Suppose we have 3 power 7, this number. In this also, this 3 is what? Class, please tell. The 3 is your base and 7 is your exponent. And when we say this number, we say it is 3 to the power 7. This complete is power. We say it is 3 to the power 7, where 7 is exponent and 3 is base. That's it. Don't go much in this thing. Okay, this was enough for you. Now let us try to understand some more examples. First of all, why these things came, why we need exponents, why we need powers. Devanshi, but a power is nothing. It is just like we say this is 3 to the power 7. This combination of base and exponent is known as power. That's it. Okay, now let us see. Suppose if you know the distance between sun and earth is quite large. I think they have given also something like that. They have not given. Suppose So where is this concept used? Which I'm telling you that only. Whenever you have very large numbers like this, suppose you have distance between Earth and Sun. Suppose the distance is, I'm not correct, I'm just giving you a number. Suppose the number is 324,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000, and earth. So what will happen? While copying these large numbers, you may do a mistake. Class, while copying large numbers, first of all, it is taking a lot of time to write this number. Yes, sir, you can do. So class, first thing, when you are copying this number, you may do a mistake by adding one extra zero or subtracting one zero. So what we do is we try to write this number in power form. Why? It will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It becomes 3.24 into 10 to the power 11 kilometer. Tell me, which one is easy? The first way or second way? Class, tell me, which one is easy for you to write? Bani, you can do by that also, but it is not required in this one. You can go for this also. Second one is easier. Okay, let me give you one more example. Those who are saying, please repeat. Let me give you one more example. Suppose you have a number 1000. Suppose you have a number, not 1000. Let us take some little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 zeros. Please try to understand this number having 10 zeros. Now I can write like this or like this. Which way is easier for you? Class, obviously second way is easier for you, because in this thing the chances of mistake is very less. The chances of mistake is very less, and if you are dealing with numbers this large, the chances of mistake will increase. You have to just count, because you can say this you have obtained by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 5 times, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This only. So you had actually this thing. What you have done, you have just counted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is coming 10 times. So you wrote the answer as 10 power 10. Sir, but is the two-way formula, and if it is so, then please can you explain it? Don't worry, beta. Every formula will come in the way. We will discuss. First, you tell me, are you able to understand why we are dealing with this chapter? Why are we studying this chapter? Sir, it is confusing. No, it is not confusing. Don't worry. So number 10 was repeating 10 times, so it became its power. Yes, beta. We will see. There are some rules which are governing these. There are some formulas. Okay. Don't worry for that. Now, let us see. The next concept is exponents. Okay. Okay, let us see some examples, more examples. It will be easy for you. Sir, but how to convert? Okay, I am giving you the example. Suppose we have a question. Let us go by the examples only. Express, I'm giving you a question class. Express 128 as a power of 2. We want to express 128 as power of 2. Ryan, 10 was repeating 10 times. 10 was repeating 10 times. That is why I wrote it as 10 power 10. Okay. Don't worry, Ryan. It will be easy with some more examples. Yes, beta. So, Sarvagya, you have to convert this 128 as 2 power 2. Yes, Kritika. Yes. Now tell me the answer of this one. We want to write 120 as 2 power something. We are writing this 128 as 2 power something. We want to find this question mark. Class, we want to find this question mark. Many of you gave the answer. The easiest way is to prime factorize this 128. The easiest way is to prime factorize this 128 in terms of 2. Let us start. We have 128, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, and 2 1 are 2. So class, were you able to understand this prime factorization? We can write 128 as 2 into 2 into 2. Now we will count the number of 2's getting multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 2's getting multiplied, or we can say 2 is multiplying 7 times. So the answer is 2 power 7. That's it. Where 7 is the exponent and 2 is the base. Yes, class. Now let me give you more examples. It will be slowly clear to you. Okay, sir, got it. Okay, now let me give you one more example. Please tell me, how can you write this number 243 as power of 3? Class, please tell me how you can write 243 as power of 3. Abbas is saying, sir, but 2 sevens are 14. Beta, 2 sevens are 14 is different. 2 power 7 is different. You have to understand this thing, Abbas. Class, try to understand, all of you. 2 power 7 is different from, it is not equal to 2 into 7. Try to understand. 2 power 7 means 2 getting multiplied 7 times. Okay, and 2 into 7 means 2 getting added 7 times. Now first let me solve this question. 243 as power of 3. So you will start with this one. So we have 3 is 24, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 3's getting multiplied. 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 multiplying 5 times. So the answer is 3 power 5. Now, Abhas, I am coming to your doubt. It is very important to understand, class. We have studied, let me tell you one thing. Okay. We have seen repetitive addition is known as, class, please tell me, repetitive addition is known as, class, please tell me, repetitive addition is known as multiplication. So this 2 into 7 must have come from repetitive addition. So if you write 2 these many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So if you are doing repetitive addition, then it is multiplication, or you can say it is 7 2 times. That is also correct. And Abhas, I hope you are seeing this thing, and that what we are doing is this thing, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 multiplying 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is repetitive multiplication, not addition. In this case, power will come into existence. It can be written as 2 power 7. So Abhas, these two are different. Are you able to understand this thing? Repetitive addition is this thing. Repetitive addition. We have studied repetitive addition is multiplication. Okay, and this is your repetitive multiplication. It becomes the power form. That's it. Okay, sir, is another method to solve. We will see better many methods. Don't worry. It is just a introduction of the chapter. We will discuss more formulas. Don't worry. Now, second is comparison. Let us try to compare two powers. Example, if I ask which one is greater, 3 power 5 or 5 power 3. Class, please tell me. Yes, if you want, Mokshita, a number in particular base, you will do by that only. Don't worry, it will be discussed. First, tell me, class, are these two different or same? If they are different, which one is greater? Sarvagya is saying they are same. Okay, Sarvagya. Bani is saying first one is larger. Okay. Others, please tell which one is larger. Try it fast. This is your first one. This is your second one. Abhas, okay. Rishi, okay. Sir, first one, okay. Okay. Okay, Nana. Now let us try to see. 3 power 5. Let's try to solve it. 3 power 5 is actually, what does it mean? It means it is 3 multiplying how many times? 3 power 5 means 3 getting multiplied 5 times. So let us solve this. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81, 81 3 is a 243. So first please check my answer, Devanshi. Devanshi, I couldn't see that beta because many chats are coming. Okay, many are saying the first one is larger. Let's check it finally. 5 power 3. It means 5 getting multiplied how many times? Please tell. 5 power 3 means 5 getting multiplied 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Obviously, the first one is larger. So you can say 3 power 5 is larger than 5 power 3. So we are just trying to understand the concepts of exponents and powers. With time, it will be very easy for you. Okay, just a practice is required, nothing else. Now let me give you one more example. Um, Let me give you one more example. Suppose, okay, in the earlier questions we have done, I told you to write 243 in terms of 3. I told you to write 128 in terms of 2. Now I'm giving you one more question. Try to understand. Example, express the given numbers as product of powers. First example is, suppose I give you 432. Okay, let's try with this only. 432. We have to express. Mokshita, this example will help you in this your doubt. Try to solve this one. Again, you have to prime factorize it and write it in terms of the prime factors, and then you will get the answer. Just try to prime factorize it. No power is there. You just have to find the answer in power form. You have to prime factorize it and tell the answer. Question is saying express the given number as product of powers. of prime factors. Mokshita, in the examples that we have taken, only 2 could have divided 64 as prime number. That is why only 2 came. In the next example, only 3 could have divided, so 3 came. In this example, you will have more, sir, of 2, 8. Sarvagya, I'm not getting it, beta. What you are saying? Please answer, class. Okay, Bani gave answer 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. Others, please see. Please tell. We just have to prime factorize 432. Okay, Ekta giving the answer. Let us see. 2, we can start with 2 to the 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again, we can go for 2, 2 1s are 2, then we have a 1. We have to take a 0, 2 8s are 16. Then again, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then again, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Class, can we further solve by 2? Please tell, can we further solve by 2? Mokshita? So now we have to go for the next prime factor. So 2 is not possible, so we'll go for the next factor 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now what we can do is we can write the number 432 as 1 2 3 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied with 1 2 3 3s. Tell me first, Mokshita, are you able to understand this thing? We can write the number 432 as multiplication of these prime factors. Is it correct? Please tell. Now, after writing as factors, we have to see, can we go for the power thing? Yes, we can go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 2's getting multiplied. We can write this as, please tell class, if we have 4 2's getting multiplied, it can be written as 2 power, yes, very good Tushita, multiplied with, we have 3 3's getting multiplied, that can be written as 3 power, class, it can be written as 3 power 3. Very good. So this is the answer. Again, what we have done, we have written, found the prime factors and written in the this form. Okay. Now let me give you one more example. I hope you people are able to understand these things. Okay. Let us see one more example. You have to try the questions of exercise with the help of these examples. So example number 6, let us take. Yes, it is very easy. Once you practice, it will be very easy for you. Let us take this example. Suppose you have -1 power 3. Class, tell me what is the answer of this one. -1 power 3. You have to solve this. Okay. You have just have to understand this thing from where it came. It must have come from -1 getting multiplied how many times? Class, tell me. It must have come from -1 getting multiplied how many times? 3 times. Very good. So we have -1 into -1 into -1. Now class, tell me, if we have 3 negative signs getting multiplied, negative will remain, and the answer is -1. Now tell me class, what is the answer for -2 power 4? Please tell me the answer for -2 power 4. Rachit, your camera is on, beta, and you are troubling others. Please switch it off. Class, tell me the answer. Tushita and Ashmit, all are correct. Bani, okay. Answer is 2. No, Bani. Sarvagya, okay. Now you all are correct. It means minus 2 is getting multiplied 4 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So first thing is negative. If you see there are 4 negative signs getting multiplied, it become positive. And we have 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Mokshita, answer is positive, not negative, beta. You have to understand the rules will remain same. Whatever you have learned in integers chapter, that will remain. When there are even number of negatives getting multiplied, they become positive. When there are odd numbers of negative getting multiplied, they will remain negative. Mokshita, now it is correct. 16. Karthik, Kaushik, beta, what is this minus 121? Let us take one more example. Suppose we have, yes, all chapters are connected, beta. Sir, if powers will be odd, answer will be negative and vice versa. Yes, beta. Let us take one more example. Suppose you have minus of, they have given all easy one. Let us take this one only. Just tell me answer of this one. Minus 5 power 4. First, we have to understand here we have a negative inside, but the power is even. So it will become positive only. It can be written as minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, and the answer is, this negative become positive. Answer is 625. I hope question 1 is simple. Question number 2, okay, just one thing I want to tell you, class. If you have a into a into a and you want to write this in power form, how will you write this? Please tell. If you have a multiplied with a multiplied with a, tell me. Yes, it is a power 3, because we have studied in simple things. If we have this thing, please tell me, if we have a plus a plus a, what is the answer? If we have a plus a plus a, the answer was 3a. Very good. But if it is a into a into a, it becomes a power 3. Similarly, if you have, tell me the answer, what will it become? Here a and b are variables, but we can still apply the rules of exponents and powers to this. So when the same base getting multiplied 4 times, when the same a is getting multiplied 4 times, we can write this as a to the power 4, and the same b getting multiplied 3 times, we can write it as b to the power 3. And this is the answer. If you put multiplication sign between them, it is fine. If you don't put that, that is also correct. Okay, just do one thing. You have to try. Okay, all we have just an idea of all the questions. You can try this today, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the tomorrow's class. Okay, let me stop the recording now.